Hey, if you wonder if the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 call 911 if you fall, then let me quickly explain. Right here in this device we can actually find the heart fall detection, and it will be available just right here when you open the safety and emergency in the Galaxy wearable application. And when you turn it on, you can also set some options, like for example, as you can see here, you can find information that it will actually make the emergency call when you fall with this function enabled. But you can find here the number 112, so you can set the 911 for example, or even any other number if you want, or for example input the custom number. So this is it for this video. By the way, I just forgot, be sure that you switch from only during workouts to always. This is like a really important thing. And yeah, that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.